No, bro, all right behind you. Anyway, we didn't. Hey, bro, call whoever you want. You're speeding through here, doing 40 miles an hour in the dirt, bro, while people are sleeping. Get your ass out of here.
Oh man, we trashed this thing last night. So it's day 2. Look at all this dew. That one's covered. Oh, the top is wet as hell. Damn, look at that floor. We had some fun last night. I was like, bro, who's turning on the fan? They're going pretty fast. You want to see what breakfast is? It's the only thing we packed for breakfast. Nutrients. Oh, I left my gloves outside, damn it. Starts right up every time. Didn't like that. Did not like that, actually. We have the tents over there. I'm over here because unfortunately the sad part about camping is that you gotta poop in the woods. So got my baby wipes. Alright, we going for a ride. The Oink Squad! Oh no. Smart man. The first time we went camping with Kevin, it was right there. Yeah. Gators. There's like a water pump all the way over there. We're gonna go all the way there.
That's the car, right?
Are these crows waiting for this guy in his car to die or something? Rev bomb him. Interesting little note as I'm editing this. I figured I'd add some narrative because other than that you guys would understand. And even though we didn't do this on purpose to bother this guy, but apparently I saw some vultures and I decided we should rev bomb them just for fun. Like, you know, it's just stupid childish stuff. But I had no idea that the guy was hunting there. The car was empty, so I was like, okay, abandoned car. I had no idea. But ironically, it was the same guy that had sped. So what happened the night before, like around 4 o'clock in the morning, 3 times we heard a truck speed by our campsite, but like fast, like really fast. And he was doing it on purpose and he was scaring us. And ironically, it was the same guy that we ended up screwing up his hunt. So I guess, you know, karma works that way. We should keep an eye on the camp.
Yeah, no. Are you gonna keep riding or?
Maybe that way. Well, there's nothing that way. Same thing, there's nothing that way either.
What?
Let me see. Oh yeah, I got you right here. Oh yeah. Just like me yesterday.
I thought it was a bug.
No, it's really bad. Look, you want a picture?
Have a nice day. Nice seeing you.
Yeah, you learn how to use the public land, buddy.
You too. Have a nice day.
Alright?
And the one that...
You're speeding through here to the camp. Go
Yeah.
ahead, bro. Call whoever you want. You're speeding through here, doing 40 miles an hour in the dirt, bro, while people are sleeping. Get your ass out of here.
I know, so funny.
Keep at it, bro. Keep at it.
Thank you, buddy. What you trying to do?
I'm waiting for you to do something. That's what I'm waiting for. Get in your car and keep going. Yeah, you too.
Turtle's back.
I'm serious, bro. Look at it. Hey, guy, what are you doing, bro?
How do you climb that steep ass hill?
Bro, you climbed it. No, bro, all right behind you. Anyway, we didn't.
I'll get that
the,
fixed though.
the hookup for the tree.
They tried to wheelie the Grom.
After that, you got
I was just sitting there staring. I was like, man, I should have been filming. This concludes our adventure out here in the dirt road for right now. Let's see what happens when we get out of here. We're gonna get some food. Grom down! Ooh, sports car.
see that? That's our team.
Now that is definitely an interesting sight there, sir. Tore those up bad. They weren't that bad before you hit the sand, right? No way. They were never that bad before you hit the sand. The sand did that.
Well, and that big ass burnout I did.
Oh, the burnout. That's what it was. Guess we're eating Flanagan's. Look at these messy bikes.
Hell yeah, bro.
I think this one's gotten the worst of it today.
No, mine got the worst. And we down twice.
Dude, the smell of this place. Do you smell that? Bro, my mouth is watering. Philly cheese. Oh man, I'm hungry, baby. Little wash-a-thon. I think the bike deserves a little bit. You don't like it. Well, this is gonna be the ending of the trip. I'm home. Look what my bike did to everything. I have to throw away the bag, which isn't already in the garbage bag. But I might as well. And my favorite little one-person cliffhanger tent has been completely destroyed. This sucks. Anyways, other than that, it was a great trip. Thank you so much for watching. Be careful out there if you decide to go camping. And we'll see another episode of More Bad Ideas. Peace. Bike's looking fairly decently clean compared to how it was a couple days ago when I went camping. Okay, the Grom is complete. The chain's not tight, but it's not loose, but it's good to go. Now I just put air in this back tire and make sure this chain's okay, and then all bikes are set to go. Dirty as hell, but I'm just gonna get them dirty anyway, so might as well keep moving. Oh, cops are parked there again. What's she screaming at me for? Hey! Floyda.
Is this your wallet? Whose wallet is this?
Not mine.
I have it.